X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3 with capitals of 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. On 1st October 2011, X and Y granted loans of 80,000 and 40,000 respectively to the firm. So the distribution of profit or loss for the following year ended 31st March. In each of the following cases: case 1, if profits before any interest for the year amounted to rupees 21,000. So in this case we have to prepare profit and loss account for charging interest on loan to the partners, and if there is any profit available, it will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, and therefrom it will be transferred to partners capital accounts. So please write down case 1. Profit and loss and profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation account. For the year ended 31st March 2012. Debit and credit. Then your format. Particulars rupees then particulars rupees. First of all, the interest on loan payable to partners. To interest on loan interest on loans for X. X has advanced a loan of rupees 80,000. 80,000 into rate of interest is 6 months. Rate of interest is 6%, and it will be calculated for 6 months. because they have advanced on October 1 rupees 2400 for X, and that of Y is equal to rupees 40,000 into 6% into 6 months, that is equal to 1200, that is amounting to rupees 3600. Then your two net profit CD or two balance CD, two balance CD or two net profit CD, two balance carried down and the profit for the year amounted to rupees 21,000 in case 1 by net profit brought down, by net profit brought down, that is 21,000 minus 3600 is equal to, this is amounting to rupees 17,400. By balance brought down, by balance brought down 17,400. Then distribute the profit to profit transferred to profit hyphen transfer to capital accounts for X and for Y. The profit is in the credit side, 17,400 is the totaling, same is that of debit side, 17,400, and in the ratio of distribution of X and Y for profit is 2:3, is 2:3. So this is 17,400, 17,400. This is 17,400 rupees, 17,400 into 2/5, 2/5, that is rupees 6960, 6960. This is 6960, and for Y this is 17,400 into 3/5, that is 10,440, 10,440. And in case of a case 2, this will be like this. Here the profit is given in the question rupees 3,000, and our interest on loan is 3,600, hence there is a profit of 600. So we have to just prepare only profit and loss account. There will be no profit and loss appropriation account. Loss cannot be distributed or appropriated in profit and loss appropriation account. Hence we will be preparing profit and loss account. This is case 2. This is case this is case 1, and we'll just write down case 2. Case 2. We will be just preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Only profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2012. Debit and credit. This is the basic format. Particulars, rupees, by net profit brought down. By net profit brought down. By net profit brought down, the amount of a profit will be 3000 as given in the question, and to interest on loan. To interest on loans for X, for Y, as we have already seen above, it is same 2400 for X and 1200 for Y. This is 3600. Now if you will be distributing this, there is a loss. There is a loss by loss for X and for Y. If we will distribute the loss among the partners, this will be in this ratio 3600. Loss is 600. It can be distributed in the ratio of 2:3. So 2/3 of this is 120. This is 600 into 2 by 5. This is 600 into 250. 240 for X and that of 360 for Y. And in case 3, if the profit before any interest for the year amounted to 5000. Case 3. This is case 3. Case 1, 2, 3. Profit and loss. Profit and loss and profit and loss appropriation account. Both loss appropriation appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2012. This is debit side of the account and this is your credit side of the account. Now proceed. This is the first half of the account, which is profit and loss account. Particulars, rupees, particulars, you see this is to interest on loan, to interest on loans for X, as you know it is same rupees 2400. That of Y it is same rupees 1200. These two amounted to 3600. To balance CD, to balance carried down. You see the next, the profit in this case given is rupees 5000 by net profit brought down 5000 by net profit brought down is rupees 5000. Out of this 5000, if we will deduct 3600, we will be getting a profit of 1400. This is 5000 minus 3600. This is 1400 by balance brought down. This is 1400. This 1400 is the net divisible profit which is appropriated to the accounts of both X and Y as profit after deduction of interest on capital. To profit X Y. This is rupees 1400 multiplied by 2 by 5 and that of Y is equal to 3 by 5. This is equal to 560 and 840. Rupees 560 and rupees 840. 560 and 840. 560 and 840. And you see this has been distributed in the ratio of X is to Y. It has been distributed in the ratio of 2:3.